Hello, what's up guys, it's Devjyoti here and welcome to my channel Techie Ready. Guys, encryption is an important thing in the world of internet in order to protect our online data and information, messages, emails. So in today's video, let's discuss about what is encryption and how does it work. So encryption is a security method through which you can encode any data and information in such a way that only authorized users, those who are having the key to decode that information, can only read it. And encryption is not a new thing. We are using it to protect our data since the time of World War. And it is an important method for providing data security. Suppose you want to send a secret message to your friend, let's say how are you, but you have encrypted the message in such a way that all alphabets will follow their respective numbers. Like 1 is for A, 2 is for B, 3 is for C, in this way. And the secret message will look like this. And you have sent the message to your friend in that numerical form. But your friend has the key to decrypt that information, so he can easily understand it. But if anyone, those who are not having the key with them, wants to see the message, he will not understand it. So encryption is widely used on the internet to protect your online information like your passwords, your banking details, and any private information being sent between a browser and a web server. Now let's discuss about different types of encryption, that is symmetric key and public key encryption. Public key is also known as asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption is a very old technique which we are not using anymore. Here there is a secret key called the shared secret to decrypt the encrypted data. It is basically like this, that you encrypt the data that you are sending with that secret key, and the person on the other end also needs that secret key to unlock the data. Thus, the same key is used on both ends for both encryption and decryption. But there is a problem with this method, that you have to send the secret key to your recipient securely, and if anyone intercepts your key, then he can read your message. Therefore, now we are using public key encryption. Public key encryption is now what we are using every day in emails, online purchases, and in WhatsApp. Here there are two keys, one is private key and another is public key. So from the name you can guess that private key is the personal key and public key is the global key. So here if you encrypt any message with a private key, then the recipient can decrypt the message only with their public key, and vice versa. It is basically like this: if you lock any message with private key, then it will open only with public key, and if you lock any message with public key, then it will open only with private key. So here you don't need anybody's private key to send a message. You can use his or her public key, which does not have to be kept secure, and then the user will use his or her private key to read that message. Now guys, if you send any message, how the recipient will identify you? So first you will lock the message by using the public key of the recipient, and then you will again lock that message by using your private key. Now the recipient can identify you by your private key, and he or she will first use your public key to unlock the message, and after that he or she will use his or her private key to unlock the message fully. So this is how does a public key work. Now guys, what is hashing? Suppose you are storing some information online like your bank details or your Google Drive, and for this hashing is used. So hashing will transform all your information into a string of characters or key so that no one can read your information, and this is much faster to retrieve items in a database, and the key to unlock your information will be present within that websites. So strength of any encryption is usually measured by key size, and no matter how strong the key is, but the hackers or intruders still finds a way to crack it. So that's all about encryption. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thumbs up if you liked my video, share it, and do subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon for more technology videos like this in the upcoming days. Stay happy and be positive.